Or 787 from Beijing to Seattle. We think the passengers are going to love the airplane, and we think the airline will benefit from the improved economics of the aircraft. One of the things we hope that passengers notice is that they will feel better after the long flight from China to the U.S. or the U.S. back because of the way the airplane cabin has been designed to improve the pressurization, and with cleaner air, people actually have told us they feel better after a flight on a 787. So we look forward, and Hainan Airlines also looks forward to greeting many passengers from China when they come to the United States to come to Seattle and fly on the 787 Dreamliner.